Hello everyone. Today I will be doing the second video of my cleanup week fan finds. This one is a Galaxy 16-inch pedestal fan from the early 90s, and this is a gray model, but with the push buttons, which you don't see very often. So seems like a pretty hard to find fan. The only issues I found with this fan are this broken spoke. There's a broken spoke on the grill here, which I can't find right now, and it's missing one of these little plastic tips on the stand with the little rubber foot here, so it does wobble a bit. But otherwise the fan runs just fine. It just needed a new cord and a good cleaning and oiling and new grease. But it's extremely powerful. I'll start it up on low here. Next we'll go to medium. Finally, of course, high. Oscillation. Put it down to medium. As you can see, it is wobbling a bit due to that plastic cap missing. I'll find it one soon. And down to low. And off. Turn it to the side here. It's just like most other Galaxy fans. And of course the back. So thank you for watching, and remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.